Report, said Yousuf, elected to Hamtramck City Council. In the recent local elections held in Hamtramck, Michigan, said Yousuf emerged victorious, earning a seat on the Hamtramck City Council. Said Yousuf, originally from Shiz in the Sanag region of Somaliland, is a young and dynamic community leader known for his commitment to public service and civic engagement. His election marks another significant milestone for the growing Somali American community in Michigan, particularly in Hamtramck, a city known for its rich cultural diversity and strong Muslim presence. Councilman Yousuf is recognized for his dedication, honesty, and efforts to unite communities while inspiring young Somali Americans to take active roles in local politics and community development. Hamtramck, one of the first Muslim-majority cities in the United States, continues to be a symbol of inclusion and multicultural representation, and said Yousuf's victory further strengthens that legacy. Prepared by Omar Mohammed Shire. Source: Shire News Media.